morning.
The City News 680 Extreme Weather Center is now open. This update brought to you by Subaru. Welcome to uncommon winter capability. Our Phil Martino is looking into this and joins us live now with all the news you can use. Phil.
Regina, we have a lot of snow. Vince Sarasa with the city's transportation department says road crews began preparing for this major storm last night with the application of liquid brine. Now comes the plowing.
Our collector roads and the local roads, they will all be activated very quickly as the snow begins to accumulate.
If you're driving, the commute home is expected to be impacted for sure. OPP Sergeant Carrie Schmidt says officers have already been called to dozens of crashes across GTA highways.
If you're going to be out on the road this afternoon, this evening, drive accordingly. Slow down. Be aware your stopping distances and visibility will be longer, and you need to drive to those conditions.
GO Transit says it's running on a special schedule. Riders are advised to plan ahead. The TTC says it has extra staff and vehicles to deliver uninterrupted service, but all TTC buses between Bathurst and Dufferin are canceled on the Finch line. If you're flying today, Pearson says delays and cancellations are expected, so check your flight status with your airline. The airport has reported about 25% of departures and arrivals have been canceled. Humber College has closed all of its campuses. All Sheridan campuses are closed for the remainder of the day. Virtual classes will continue. Seneca has switched to online classes, but the campuses are still open. Toronto Metropolitan University has canceled all in-person classes and tutorials today. U of T Mississauga has closed its campus, and all in-person and online activities and classes are also canceled. Dufferin Peel's Catholic District School Board has canceled in-school permits and instructional programs this evening. Buses are canceled tomorrow for York Region Public and Catholic schools. Both Toronto boards say decisions on school bus services will be made in the morning. City of Toronto rec centers and indoor arenas will close as of 6 tonight. Instructional and drop-in programs as well as permits are also canceled. And Toronto Public Library says all library branches have closed for the day. Now, the city will, however, be opening 3 warming
used to let things get to her. Like the news. Or the fake news. The new girl at work. Her old boyfriend's new girlfriend. All that changed when she traveled south with Air Transat. It's the comeback change promo. Book your flight down south starting at $449. Visit airtransat.com or contact your Marlin Travel professional. Conditions apply. Air Transat. Travel moves us.
Here, sounds like all express lanes have been blocked up as that truck is sideways, starting to pile up from approaching Meadowvale to west of it Express. From the 680 Traffic Center, Carrie Prunskis.
Indeed, those calls about all of the vehicles stuck on the hills have just been coming in one after another. Just way too many spots to mention. Basically all across the GTA, anywhere there's a hill. But some of the more recent calls include eastbound Finch approaching Don Mills at Linus. That's all blocked off. And Bloor's blocked between Symington and Dundas. Too big of a hill there. Now, on the major routes on the northbound DVP 404 combination, we have 3 problems. At Don Mills, the left lane is blocked with a stalled vehicle. North of Elgin Mills, the right lane is blocked because of a couple of stalled snowplows. And approaching Aurora Road, there's a vehicle in the ditch. It's absolutely jammed from Gerrard to north of Elgin Mills, then busy sections. After that, northbound 400, north of King Road, the right lane is blocked with a stalled truck. Traffic is crawling from the 401. Businesses need to think beyond today.
Visit dynamic.ca/advice to learn more.
During Cora's